Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So last time on my 2015 Audi A4 S-Line, I swapped out the textured black splitter for a gloss black splitter, and it came out awesome. But in today's video, I want to further enhance the front of the car. And no, I'm not changing the grille today. That's actually going to be in a future video, but I got something that was really cool. Apparently, you can buy kind of like these trim pieces that go over the fog lights, and it's supposed to give the car a more aggressive look. So I went out and bought a pair of fog light trims for this car that should match the front splitter. Now let me show you the product and then we'll get to the install. Here are the two trim pieces I'm going to be installing. They are a really nice gloss black and they match perfectly with my brand new splitter. It also comes with this protective wrap. So these will mount right above the fog lights right here on the S-Line front bumper. It's pretty easy to install. It comes with double-sided tape and I'm just going to stick it on here. I'm going to first heat it up, peel back the red film, and then just apply it to the car. I'm going to start by cleaning the area with some alcohol. This is to make sure the surface is completely clean, and that will allow for a really good bond with the double-sided tape. Now I'm going to peel back the clear protective plastic wrap, and I'm going to grab a heat gun and heat up the double-sided tape so it's super tacky. Next, I'm going to peel back the red film just about halfway. And then I'm going to find the right spot on the bumper to mount it. And once I find the correct spot, I'm going to peel back the rest of the red film and apply pressure to the trim piece so it makes a nice bond to the car. And then I'm going to repeat the same process for the other side. And I'm good to go.
Perfect.
So what do you guys think? I love the way this looks on the fog light. Now let me walk around and just give you a bunch of different angles of how it looks. I don't know, it looks really unique. It almost looks like it's ready to like suck in a lot of air. It's pretty aggressive. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I just think it looks really cool. I don't know about you guys, but I really like it. Yeah, it's a small little change to the front of the car, but once I upgrade the grille to be a gloss black grille, that whole gloss black theme on the grille, the fog light trim, and the front splitter is gonna look awesome. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.